Customer service relationship. What is the meaning of customer service relationship? What is even the meaning of to be a customer service agent? It means that you have to be, first of all, you have to be presentable. You have to have manner. You need to even have good character. Who have bad character is not supposed to be in customer service in any organization in the first place. Now, I'm saying this because of what happened in the bank. I will not mention the name of the bank. It has not gotten to the point that I will mention the name of the bank. It's only when they touch my money, that is where I will call the bank name. But for now, the staff of so bank, I went to the bank, I say, I want an ATM card, MasterCard. The lady just said, stand here, wait for me. Just hold her phone, and she was pressing her phone. She forgets that I'm standing. I said, madam, you kept me standing, you are pressing your phone. She said, can't I even press my phone? Do you know what I'm doing in the phone? Who are you to even talk to a customer like that in the first place? That's what I'm saying. You are working as a customer service agent. Customer is always right. Even if the customer comes and shouts for you, you have to relax and tell the customer, hey, sir, it's not like that. Sorry, you have to pet me as a customer. There are so many people that are looking for a job of customer service. People are plenty, they are looking for a job. You have the opportunity, you have the job. You pray to God, give me job. God gave you the job. You now sit down in the office with pride. Somebody call you, answer with pride. As a customer service agent, it's not even only customer service agent. As long as you are doing a business, you are doing buying and selling, where you are going to see people come and meet you. First of all, you need to have good character, man. You are an online vendor. You are selling hair online. You sell body hair to a woman. She tells you the hair is pulling up. The next thing you are telling her, what do you want me to do? What doesn't she want you to do? You sell the hair is not good. You tell her to return it, let you assess it. Before you sell, don't you know you are supposed to sell a good product? People that are selling cream online, you are selling cream, you sell fake cream. Somebody that is fair, start using your cream. 2 weeks, she done black. They tell you, say, your cream, madam, your cream, they make me black. You say, my cream? Why you go tax that kind of thing? She tell you her experience. Customer feedback is not insult. You pet the customer, tell him, calm down. Don't be angry. You even change it. If you go to America, the other time, my brother that is in America, he said he went to drink one cocktail like that. They gave him the cocktail, and then the next thing he has even drank it up. He saw ant in the cocktail. He went to tell them that why would there be ants? They even begged him and they changed it for him, gave him another full cup. And they even offered to give him another cup. You are selling cream online. Somebody tell you your cream is making her to black. You are telling her that, why will you say my cream? You are selling and you have pride. This video is for all of us that have had bad experience. It's either you have bought hair online, you have bought cream online, you have gone to the bank, they have embarrassed you as a customer service, she talk to you anyhow, or the teller talk to you anyhow. Comment in this video. Tell us your experience. Even tag the vendor that sell you fake cream and fake hair. Tag the vendor in this video. Share the video. Let them see this video. Let them see that I've raised their topic. Yes, because all of us that are doing business need to start treating customer in a respected manner. You are doing business, you don't respect your customer, and you say the government don't respect citizens. How will the government respect you when you don't even respect others? Allah, please share this video. For all the people that have bad character and doing business, they should see this video so that they can correct themselves. I know I don't have sense. I always say it. I admit first that I don't have sense. But please share this video. Comment your experience. My name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. Google me. If you like, don't Google me. That is your business. Thank you.